Alright, I'm back again. Okay, we got more of this stuff. So let's go open Rufus. Rufus is open. We want to check and see what did we download, a whole bunch of stuff. We got 4M Linux, we got Alma Linux, we got Alpine Linux, we got Anti-X, we got a couple different ones, and we got AVL Linux, we got Batocera, we got Boron is not, no, that one didn't complete. AVL, I think. Which one was the one that had? I need to look this back up now. Okay, so in the distro, we're gonna go. I thought it was AV Linux. AV. It was AV Linux. It really was. It wasn't AVL. This is audio video. It's for creators. So let's go back in here to their thing. And it's based on MX, which is really cool. So okay. A parallel release, not a full release update of the AVMX edition has been released. This ISO aims to provide a stripped down base version of AVL. I don't want that. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. It says AVL. Okay. So that's going to be the one that we downloaded. All right, cool. Let's get back into Rufus. So AVL. Which one do we really want to try first? I think maybe. Oh geez, which one of these? I want to try the gaming one. Yeah. Okay, this should be interesting. It looks like something's funky about it. Alright, this is going to take a while, so I'll come back when it's done and I'll start to install it. Oh yeah, just seen it boot up for the little joystick thing. Now we're just waiting to see what it's going to do. Alright. Bolt action. Who are you? Commodore 64 1982. Interesting. My mouse doesn't seem to be working. Whoa, look at that. Are you serious? This thing looks legit. Wow. These are some pretty good images. You'd have to do a lot of photo editing to come up with these. Damn, dude, look at all this stuff. I sure hope this music's not copyrighted. So this is just running off the thumb drive right now, but I don't really know what am I supposed to do. For some reason my mouse is not working. Okay. Is this stuff actually on here? Let me see something. I don't really know. Is this just designed to run off the disk? Wow. Let me get my controller out and see if I can get this thing to do anything. But we're straight up running on the thumb drive. Like, this is pretty crazy. Huh. Had no idea. I'm digging it. But I think it'd be nice if this controller would work, but it doesn't work. But my mouse doesn't even work, so I'm not surprised at all. Okay. Oh, my mouse does do this. Well, I don't know what to do. Wow. And that's how that's done, I guess. "59 minutes left." Alright. So, I don't know what to do with this. Let's restart it. I just want to see if maybe I can install it. I had no idea how the hell this thing's supposed to really work. Okay, I need F10, the boot menu. We got, there's two of them on here. Let me do this. Automatic boot in 1 second. Okay. Let's see, I think it's basically a live disk. So I don't know. Menu, search, random, select, choose, files. $20.48. Oh my goodness. I don't know. Shift key. That shift key doesn't do anything. Well, I don't know, guys. Let me pull the disc out. What's it gonna do? Continue. It's actually just playing. I don't even know how it does it. I don't know. Alright. So that didn't work, guys. If you know anything about that OS, let me know.